liked our last video. And let's get on to the video. Today
Yo.
we're playing Gacha.
Yep. This time I'm not gonna copy.
No, we have to.
No, I want my own idea.
No.
Gonna.
Where are you?
No, I'm not gonna let you copy.
Maya, where are you?
I don't want you to copy.
Yes, we have to. We're in a team.
I know, but not all. But you said don't copy me. Don't copy me, baby.
No, I wasn't.
Okay, fine. You got me.
Let's do this one.
I already picked my outfit. Over here, Mia. Mia, this shirt.
Okay.
That one. And this one. These pants. You got a different shirt on. This one. Yeah, and then go back there. Here.
Wait, I want to go check if there's some better ones.
I'm gonna stay like this.
Okay.
Yeah, if you have to talk a bit louder.
Oh, sorry. Just wait for me, okay?
I'm just going to get my face. That's it. Guys, sorry for shouting in the background. So yeah, gonna get my skin color. It's going to be that. There. Gonna get some wings. Mia, I'm gonna get my hair.
I'm coming.
You only have 55 seconds. I'm gonna go for
What
brown.
kind of hair are you doing?
I'm just gonna do this.
Whoa, you put too much stuff.
All I just put is wings and
Where is the hair that you chose?
this one right here. Yeah. You're going for blonde? Going for brown. Yeah. Oh my god, what happened to you? Guys, we're done with our outfit.
Let's go. Why do
Loading!
you put on the wings? Why do you keep putting the wings?
Cause when
You only said that you were gonna do. Oh my god! You only said that you were gonna do the face.
ew,
Now we look nothing alike.
fine.
We had different clothes, different hairs, different hair color. Now you have wings.
It's just because I look sparkly when I go invisible.
Yeah, but you didn't tell me you were gonna put wings.
I always put wings, Mia. Oh yeah. Look at us go. I hope you like our performance. Yeah. Jump. It's the fans. Woo! isn't dancing.
Comment down below what video we should do next.
Yep.
I actually kind of like this one. It's actually really cute, except for the face.
I'm gonna give her a 2.
I'm giving her a 3.
I'm gonna give her a 2 because I don't really like her pale skin, neither her face, but I really like her clothes and hair.
Yeah.
Guys, if you don't really like our Roblox videos, comment below if we should do like Gacha or something, or TikTok.
We already do that.
Yeah, but we did too many Roblox videos.
We can do as much as we want.
Yep.
But yes, we have to do more Gacha, more TikTok. I barely post anything TikTok.
So yeah. I'll give her a 3 since she has the wings.
Yeah.
So guys, when are you starting school? Are you over with school? Or are you still in middle school like us?
Yeah.
If you're still in school, tell us what grade you are. We would love to know. We're both grade 6. So yeah. I might go to a different school, guys, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're still gonna make videos.
Yeah. It doesn't matter if I go somewhere else, unless I don't have my laptop, because I use my laptop to record. Oh, I forgot to give this person stars. I'm gonna give them a 2 since they're 2 people.
I'm giving them a I might give them a 3.
Actually, I'm gonna give them a 2 because that boy doesn't look like Summer. He has long sleeves.
Oh yeah, I just kind of noticed that. Yeah, I'll do a 2. But I'll do a 2 because the girl is good.
Yeah. I just don't like the guy. He isn't really in theme.
Yeah. But he did dress good. Like, I like the clothes, but it's not.
It's not part of the theme.
Yeah. So I'm giving 1 star each. 1 star for him and 1 star for the girl.
Yep. Next up is, hey, it's the Kool-Aid Man. I'll give her a 3.
I love her! 4 stars. Oh, I love her background. I love her outfit. I love her hair. I love her effects. And I love her dances. And I love her music.
It's kind of not fair. She paid Robux for those effects. I want Robux.
I have Robux on my other account.
Yeah. But I like her. She gets a 3. She isn't really the best, but yeah. Guys, it looks like the video is gonna end in 5 minutes. I guess we're only doing 1 round.
Yeah.
Guys, but if you want, we could like do more Roblox video, but each time is going to be 15 minutes. Let's see her theme. I'll give her too, because I like her hair and face, but I don't like her clothes. It's not in theme.
Why?
It's not in theme, to be honest.
I'll give her a 3.
At least she could like have like a short. At least she could have shorts, not jeans. It's gonna be hot.
Well, maybe she didn't find anything.
Uh, well, I still give her a 2. I'm like a,
Us too.
I'm like a serious judge here. I'm a negative judge.
Yeah.
I'm so negative. A rookie with a bright future. Who won? Who won? Who won? Who won? Please us. Oh, we got 3rd place.
I told you she was the best.
Okay. So guys, I hope you like, subscribe, comment what we should play next, if we should do more gacha videos. Mia, you should continue with the outro.
Hope you enjoyed all of our videos. If you haven't watched the last one, please go check it out right now. And yeah.
Please subscribe.